Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and payment details because mismatches cause most declines. First, open Settings and tap your name to verify the email and billing address. Correct any typos. Once done, go to App Store, ensure you're signed in with the same Apple ID, and check that your device has the latest iOS to avoid token or verification errors. Keep the recent invoice and order ID handy. You'll need them for error codes and contacting support if required. You now address the payment path. Open Payment and Shipping, update the card, or add a new payment method. Using Apple Pay can bypass some issuer blocks. Next, review your purchase history in the App Store to find the failed charge and copy any error code. This tells you if it's an authorization, billing, or regional restriction. Then restart your device and clear the App Store cache by tapping 10 times on any tab. Retry the purchase so fresh tokens and session data are used. You finish by confirming the charge. Check your bank for pending authorizations and contact the issuer to lift any holds, because banks sometimes block transactions for security. If you see an incorrect charge, use Report a Problem to request a refund and attach the receipt. This also lets you resubmit purchases cleanly. If problems remain, contact Apple support with the order ID and error code so they can investigate server side. As a key troubleshooting tip, try a different payment method.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.